Welcome back to Sephia Spaces. Today, we're exploring an extraordinary modern residence hidden deep within a lush, tropical rainforest. This home isn't just built in nature. It becomes part of it. Featuring dramatic black architecture, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, luxurious interiors, and breathtaking panoramic views, every corner of this property offers a unique experience. Let's step inside and discover what makes this home truly exceptional. If luxury homes and exceptional architecture inspire you, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Sephia Spaces and join us as we explore some of the world's most beautiful homes, one incredible property at a time. Now, let's step inside. All photos in the video are used for visual and inspirational purposes. For the first part, exterior. From the very first glance, this house makes a bold architectural statement. The exterior embraces a minimalist design language with clean geometric forms finished in matte black, creating a striking contrast against the surrounding greenery. Instead of dominating the landscape, the home blends naturally into the rainforest, allowing nature to become part of the architecture itself. Large glass facades maximize natural light while offering uninterrupted views of the forest from almost every room. Front elevation. The elevated position of the house provides spectacular panoramic views across the valley. Multiple levels follow the natural slope of the land, minimizing excavation while creating dynamic outdoor terraces. Green roofs and cascading vegetations soften the modern architecture, making the entire structure feel organically connected to its environment. Swimming pool. One of the standout features is this stunning infinity-style swimming pool. Surrounded by tropical plants, the pool appears to merge seamlessly with the surrounding rainforest. Dark decking enhances the luxurious atmosphere, while the calm water perfectly reflects the lush landscape. It's the perfect place to relax while enjoying complete privacy. Office. Even the workspace benefits from the home's incredible setting. Large windows flood the office with natural daylight while maintaining uninterrupted forest views. Minimalist furniture keeps the room functional and uncluttered, creating the perfect environment for creativity and productivity. Working here would feel less like an office and more like a private retreat. living and entertainment area inside. The entertainment lounge continues the home's connection with nature. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls eliminate the boundary between indoor and outdoor living. Warm wood finishes, industrial lighting, and natural textures create an inviting yet sophisticated atmosphere. Even the billiard table becomes a centerpiece, surrounded by breathtaking forest views. Master bedroom. The master bedroom is designed as a peaceful retreat. Oversized windows allow the forest to become the room's natural artwork. Dark finishes paired with warm wood accents create a calming atmosphere, while integrated greenery adds softness to the modern design. Every morning here begins with panoramic views of nature. Second bedroom. This additional bedroom follows the same architectural philosophy. Concrete walls, warm lighting, indoor plants, and an open skylight create a space that feels both contemporary and tranquil. Every design element has been carefully chosen to maximize comfort without sacrificing the home's minimalist aesthetic. Bathroom. The bathroom is perhaps one of the most impressive spaces in the entire home. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls completely immerse the space within the surrounding rainforest. Imagine soaking in the freestanding bathtub while overlooking lush tropical greenery from every angle. Double vanities, natural wood cabinetry, premium stone surfaces, and elegant matte black fixtures complete this luxurious spa experience. Final impression. This residence perfectly demonstrates how modern architecture and nature can exist in complete harmony. Every room has been carefully positioned to capture natural light, maximize privacy, and celebrate the surrounding landscape. Rather than competing with nature, the architecture quietly enhances it. So, what do you think about this incredible rainforest residence? Would you love to live in a home surrounded by nature like this? Let us know your favorite space in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's home tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here on Sephia Spaces for more inspiring luxury homes from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tour.